curl here, a little curl there. Yeah, and there we go. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I have to go to my party, and then a couple things. Like I just put in like a couple extensions. I kind of did it my own way. And you know, one side I have too much hair like right over here because I need to cut my own hair to blend with that extension, but I don't have time. So, but I'm gonna show it to you so you can see it. See how it's buckling under right there? Looks like a ledge. You know I hate ledges. But what I could do is curl it, make it more straight. Okay, but I would actually cut that off so it could blend and not buckle under. I am going to use my Chi. Now listen, this is called a Chi Eclipse. I know everybody asks me, and I want this full right here too. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna get the root. You could also have a little hairspray if you need to just spray it behind and then just put it in and just let it come out. The next one, and I really want it to kind of be feathered. I'm gonna actually do it this way and bring that down. See, I want that part feathered right there. Right there, let it sit just a couple minutes. See, that's how I want it. So I want it to kind of come down and then come back because I really am focused on just that cute little, yeah, that's what I want. Okay, and then I'll just brush it out. So here too, I'm gonna grab this next section, and that's how it's gonna fix my hair, that piece, because I'm just gonna keep doing it straight. Now this is a curl brush, curl and iron brush. It's an iron, but it's a brush. And I just want to make everything straight and just have the front just flip back. So get that out of the way. Just let that heat touch it. Yeah, just simple. Just gonna keep it simple. Super simple. And then the back, I'm gonna take the mid half of the back and do the same thing. See, I'm gonna grab it so it's not real curly, and it's just gonna be smooth and straight with a little bit of feather. Kind of like a DA, if you remember what that is. If you remember what that is, I want you to put it in the comments. Only people that understand and know what a DA is. This side's gonna feather this way, and then the other side's gonna feather the other way. But I'm just gonna keep pushing it forward and just get the very ends. That's it. I really want to leave the ends in there. Now the back side is also a curl and iron. See how it still has the iron back there, but then the brush is in the front? Yeah, that's how I want it to be. So really the whole hair is gonna look more straight, just a tiny bit of feather. That's it, that's all I want. It'll be a nice change, something simple. Sometimes you just gotta keep it simple. Okay. Now I got that side done, and then I'll just spray it nice and easy. Now this side is gonna be, look at that sucker. So I really have to get it in there, brush it down and hold it, and yeah. You have to kind of get that other hair with it too. So I'm really gonna kind of keep it on this angle just to warm it up so it can restructure the hair, because that's what we need to do. I'm definitely better with my other hand. This is my harder side. Okay, look, I get those ends. I do need to cut it though. I definitely do. It's gonna be a pain, but I really just don't have time. Who has time? I need to go to the hairdressers. My daughter used to say to me, you know, Mom, you work at a hair salon, you own it. You can go get your hair done. I'm like, yeah, this is true, but it's not always easy to do when you're busy. But the truth is you gotta take care of you first, because if you don't, nobody else is gonna. Yeah, that's what I want. See that little bit? See, it's making it straight with a little bit of feather. So you really take the brush side, you get it in there, keep kind of doing it straight, and then you get that little end in there. You have to kind of hold it though, so it really stays. Now I'm gonna do the whole thing, because I really want the whole thing to kind of be straight and just this little part to be a little feathered. I'm gonna hold that. Yeah, and then I'm gonna take some of this back stuff. Oh, make sure I don't turn it off. Yep, it goes up to 400. I need to really get that extension straighter, because I kind of wore it curly yesterday, but I like change. I don't want to wear it the same all the time. Yeah, there you go. That's what I want. And then I could fluff it all up. All right, there's one more thing I have to do. See this curl right here? It's gonna annoy me. Get a clip, get this out of the way. You have to keep kind of going over and brushing it to get that out. And I'm gonna come straight towards my face, straight. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Great. Now just under here, I have to do a little more too because it's curly. I just want it straight, but I do want the bottom to be under a little. So I'm gonna kind of do the back part straight and then a little under so it's not like super straight. I want it with a little bit of bend, a little bend on that. And then I'm gonna curl it up that little bit. There we go. Okay, one more time. It's gonna be the last time. You know, listen, it takes a little time. You gotta restructure the hair without burning it. That's gonna be good. I like a little more fullness on the top. Just that little curl here, a little curl there. Yeah, and there we go. Have a wonderful day.